Hi there, in today's video I'm gonna tell you vocabulary about personality traits. Hardworking, impatient, intelligent, lazy, nervous, shy, polite, popular, rude, romantic, strict, talkative, unhappy, untidy, vain. Personality vocabulary: kind, friendly, brave, honest, patient, respectful, polite, confident, hardworking, rude, lazy, arrogant, jealous, selfish, shy, optimistic, serious, cheerful. Types of personalities: introvert, optimist, pessimist, extrovert, ambivert, realist, workaholic, perfectionist, minimalist. Happy, sad, angry, excited, nervous, calm, relaxed, afraid, scared, surprised, confused, proud, embarrassed, shy, lonely, bored.
Let's learn words to describe fake people.
Hypocritical or hypocrite. Two-faced or double-faced. Deceptive, pretentious, phony, insincere, manipulative, opportunistic or opportunist.
For more videos, visit our YouTube channel.